Hello everyone. Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate, headquartered in Mumbai. It has diverse businesses including energy, petrochemicals, natural gas, retail, telecommunications, mass media, and textiles. The largest publicly traded company in India by market capitalization, and the largest company in India as measured by revenue. It is also one of the largest employers in India, with over 3 lakhs employees in the world. The company is ranked 51th on the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporations as of 2023. Reliance continues to be India's largest exporter, accounting for 7% of India's total merchandise exports, and it has access to markets in over 100 countries. Reliance is responsible for almost 5% of the Government of India's total revenue from customs and excise duty. Reliance Commercial Corporation was set up in 1958 by Dhirubhai Ambani as a small venture firm trading commodities, especially spices and polyester yarn. On 8 May 1973, it became Reliance Industries Limited. In 1975, the company expanded its business into textiles, with Vimal becoming its major brand in later years. The company held its initial public offering, IPO, in 1977. The issue was oversubscribed by 7 times. In 1996, it became the first private sector company in India to be rated by international credit rating agencies. S&P rated Reliance, BB+, stable outlook, constrained by the sovereign ceiling. In 1998–99, RIL introduced packaged LPG in 15 kg cylinders under the brand name Reliance Gas. In 2006, Reliance entered the organized retail market in India with the launch of its retail store format under the brand name of Reliance Fresh. By the end of 2008, Reliance Retail had close to 600 stores across 57 cities in India. The number of shares of RIL are approximately 644.51 crore, 6.44 billion. The promoter group, the Ambani family, holds 49.11% of the total shares, whereas the remaining 50.89% shares are held by public shareholders, including FII and corporate bodies. Life Insurance Corporation of India is the largest non-promoter investor in the company, with 7.98% shareholding. Since its inception, the company was managed by its founder and chairman Dhirubhai Ambani. After suffering a stroke in 1986, he handed over the daily operations of the company to his sons Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. After the death of Dhirubhai Ambani in 2002, the management of the company was taken up by both the brothers. In November 2004, Mukesh Ambani, in an interview, admitted to having differences with his brother Anil over ownership issues. He also said that the differences are in the private domain. The share prices of RIL were impacted by some margin when this news broke out. In 2005, after a bitter public feud between the brothers over the control of the Reliance empire, Mother Kokalaban intervened to broker a deal splitting the RIL group business into 2 parts. In October 2005, the split of Reliance Group was formalized. Mukesh Ambani got Reliance Industries and IPCL. Younger brother Anil Ambani received telecom, power, entertainment, and financial services business of the group. The Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group includes Reliance Communications, Reliance Infrastructure, Reliance Capital, Reliance Natural Resources and Reliance Power. The division of Reliance Group business between the 2 brothers also resulted in demerger of 4 businesses from RIL. These businesses immediately became part of Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group. The existing shareholders in RIL, both the promoter group and non-promoters, received shares in the demerged companies. Jio Platforms Limited, essentially a technology company, is a majority-owned subsidiary of RIL. It has a valuation of more than $100 billion on Expert View as of October 2022. This new subsidiary holds all the digital business assets including Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, which in turn holds the Jio connectivity business, mobile, broadband and enterprise, and also the other digital assets. Jio apps, tech backbone and investments in other tech entities like Haptic, Hathaway and DEN Networks among others. In April 2020, RIL announced a strategic investment of 43,574 crore rupees, $5.5 billion United States dollars, by Facebook into Jio platforms. This investment translated into a 9.99% equity stake, on a fully diluted basis. On 16 July 2020, Google announced that it will acquire a 7.3% stake in Jio platforms for 33,737 crore rupees. Mukesh Ambani has named his son, Mr. Akash Mukesh Ambani, as the chairperson of Jio in 2022. Reliance Logistics is a single-window, clarification needed, company selling transportation, distribution, warehousing, logistics, and supply chain-related products. Reliance Logistics is an asset-based company with its own fleet and infrastructure. It provides logistics services to Reliance Group companies and outsiders. Reliance Solar, the solar energy subsidiary of Reliance, was established to produce and retail solar energy systems primarily to remote and rural areas. It offers a range of products based on solar energy: solar lanterns, home lighting systems, street lighting systems, water purification systems, refrigeration systems and solar air conditioners. In 2022 RILAGM, Mukesh Ambani specified that his youngest son Anant Ambani will take over the new energy business. Network 18, a mass media company. It has interests in television, digital platforms, publication, mobile apps and films. It also operates two joint ventures, namely Viacom 18 and History TV 18 with Viacom and A+E networks respectively. It has also acquired a partial part of ETV Network and since renamed its channels under the Colors TV brand. Reliance Eros Productions LLP, joint venture with Eros International to produce film content in India. The company's petrochemical, refining, and oil and gas-related operations form the core of its business. Other divisions of the company include cloth, retail, telecommunications, and special economic zone, SEZ, development. In 2012-13, it earned 76% of its revenue from refining, 19% from petrochemicals, 2% from oil and gas and 3% from other segments. In July 2012, RIL informed that it was going to invest $1 billion United States dollars over the next few years in its new aerospace division, which will design, develop and manufacture equipment and components, including aircraft, engine, radars, avionics and accessories for military and civilian aircraft, helicopters, unmanned airborne vehicles, and aerostats. As of 16 March 2023, the company had 234 subsidiary companies and 11 associate companies. Reliance Industrial Investments and Holdings owns Digital Fiber in VIT, which in turn owns 51% of Jio Digital Fiber Private Limited. The remaining 49% of Jio Digital Fiber Private Limited is owned by Reliance Industries directly. Reliance Strategic Business Ventures Limited, RSBVL, a wholly owned subsidiary of RIL, bought a 51.78% stake in robotics. An AI firm Asteria Aerospace for 23.12 crore rupees and an 85% stake in Now Floats Technologies for 141.63 crore rupees in December 2019. It also holds 18.83% in EIH Limited, the flagship company of the Oberoi Group, one of the largest luxury hotel chains in India. In November 2019, RSBVL invested an undisclosed amount in Skytran Inc. for 12.7%, increased it further to 26.3% by April 2020. In February 2021, RIL became the majority stakeholder with 54.46% with an additional investment of $26.76 million. Thanks for watching.